Oh no, why would I throw a trash in here? So let's, oh, wait, no. Instead of throwing it, we are going to reuse it. Hello, boys and girls. It's our time with Teacher Cherry. Today, we're going to make the Earth paper mache. Alright, so here are the things that we need. We need an old magazine, anything that you have at home, or a newspaper. Alright, we also need a marker and scissors, a balloon and a pumper, a bowl with a little water in it, look at that, and a glue, a water glue. We also need some paintbrush here and some paint. We need a color. What color is this? Yes, it is blue. We also need a color, green. Very good, boys and girls. And this is white and yellow. Good job. So are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have today with the newspaper, we're going to cut it into 4 sizes, just like this. Here we go. And from here, we're gonna cut the different shapes that you want. Okay, so the first thing, let's cut the shape of, do you know what shape goes round and round? What shape is it? Yes, you're right. It's a circle. So let's make a circle. Are you ready, boys and girls? A circle, can you make a circle? A circle, a circle, can you make a circle? Circle, 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 da 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 da. There you go, boys and girls, we just made a circle. Good job. Now one more. How about the shape of, oh, do you know what shape has 4 equal sides? That looks just like this. It is a square. Very good. So let's cut the shape of square. Are you ready? A square, a square. Can you make a square? A square, a square. Can you make a square? There you go. How many sides does a square has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. So now we have a circle and a square. Very good. All right, boys and girls. Now, are you ready to blow your balloon? Let's get ready, but don't make it too big or too small. Make sure you make it just right. Ready? Let's go. Ta-da! There you go. Do you know what color is this? Yes, it is orange. And do you remember what is the shape of the earth? The earth goes round and round like this. It is like a circle. Okay, there you go. So let's put it here in an empty bowl. Now, what are we gonna do next? We're gonna put all of these papers onto the balloon, but we need the glue and water. Okay, so get your bowl with water and make sure you mix the glue on it. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it together. Oh, there you go. And now let's mix it. Alright, for this part, I think it would be better if you use your hands to stick the papers onto the balloon. So ready? Let's get started. You hold the paper and then you dip it. Make sure you squeeze the excess glue from the paper and then you stick it right onto the balloon. Here we go, boys and girls. Whoa, there you go. Alright, so make sure you cover the entire spaces here and don't leave a hole in it. Ready? Let's do it together. Go! Now, boys and girls, I just finished the first layer. We have to do this 3 times. Are you ready? Ta-da! There you go, boys and girls. That's the 3rd layer that we made so far. So now we have to wait for this to dry, but we need to wait for 1 day. I have to go to sleep. And when we wake up tomorrow, it should be dried up. All right? Let's go to sleep, boys and girls. Good night. Okay, now it's time for us to check our mache. Okay, now let's see. Look at this. Now our paper mache is very hard. Look at that. It's so good. Whoa. All right, so the next thing that we have to do right now is to pop the balloon. Okay, so if you have a pen, that would be good. But if you don't have, like Miss Sherry, I'll just simply use my scissor. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at that. Now, this is our balloon. Now you can take it off and look at this. Now we have the earth mache. Okay, but it's not yet complete because we have to color it. Now, boys and girls, do you know that the earth is made of land and water? So we are going to draw the different islands here, and if you have a globe like this, you can simply put the islands on your paper mache. Alright, so now I am going to get my marker, and let's draw the different islands that we can see in the globe. Are you ready? Let's go! There you go. We're done with the color green. Now what will be the color for the water? Do you know? Yes, that's right. The color would be blue. So let's get ready and paint the part of the water with blue. Alright, boys and girls, there you go, the earth paper mache. But it's not yet complete. Do you know that there are some parts of the earth that has some ice and some desert? So do you know what color are they? Oh yes, for the snow or the ice, we have the white. So maybe we can paint some part of those places that has some snowy days with white. Okay, so that place must be very cold, isn't it? Yes, and there are also some part of the earth that feels very, very hot. So that is what we call the desert. Yes, so that place, for that part, we're going to color with yellow. Okay, so ready? Grab your paintbrush and your color yellow and choose whichever part you want to have the desert. Or maybe this part. Ta-da! There you go, boys and girls. Now we have the earth paper mache. So, hope you have fun making your own paper mache with mommy and daddy. And I can't wait to see what will you do. I'll see you next time.